What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which was developed for both practical and intellectual needs, computing the measures of angles and distances in surveying, map making, and navigation. So they say that triangle is a single most important shape in engineering because triangulation of materials adds strength by eliminating the lateral movement. So, in triangle, we have an oblique triangle. It has either 3 acute angles or 1 obtuse and 2 acute angles. Just always remember na 180 degrees is the sum of the measures of interior 3 angles of triangle. So, again, law of sines, ang cases niya ay 2 angle and an included side, 2 angles and a side, and 2 sides and an angle. Wherein sa law of cosines naman, 2 sides and an included angle at yung 3 sides. So here are the formula. A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. Kapag ganito yung cases, itong gagamiting formula. Sa law of cosines naman, meron tayong ganito. So we have A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. Tignan nyo mabuting relationship. Kapag the small letters represent the sides at yung big letters represent the angles. Kapag A yung nandito, dapat capital A yung nandito. B, B, C, C. At kung may A na dito, wala na dapat siya dito. B at C na lang to. B, kaya A at C. C, kaya A at B. At kung ano yung nandito, ito rin yung ipag-multiply dito sa banda dito. AC, AC, AB, AB. Then this is always plus and this is always minus. Yan. To easily remember the formula. In solving problems involving oblique triangles, we need the 4th step. First, we need to draw a picture or model. Then, label the model with the given information. Make sure tama yung pagkaka-label natin. 3, identify whether yung tatlong cases ba mag-fall sa law of sines or yung dalawang case that is law of cosines. Then, sometimes we use combination of law of sines and cosines. Then, number 4, we need to solve. Example number 1. So here, in the same depth of water, 2 scuba divers who are 20 meters apart spot a shark that is at the deeper part of the sea. The angles of depression of the shark from the diver 1 and diver 2 are 47 degrees and 40 degrees respectively. How far is each diver from the shark? So the first step is to draw the model. So ito na, may drawing na tayo. Ito yung scuba diver 1 at scuba diver 2. So sabi dito, they are 20 meters apart and they spot a shark at the deeper part of the sea, so sa mas malalim. The angles of depression is 47 and 40. Kapag sinabing respectively, kung ano yung unang binanggit, so diver 1, siya yung 47, at diver 2, siya yung 40. Then, how far each diver from the shark. So, let the diver 1, so ito yung diver 1 at ito yung diver 2, be X. Tapos yung diver 2 naman, be Y. Yun yung distance nila from the shark. So, kapag titignan natin yung cases natin, meron tayong given na dalawang angle at yung distance apart them. So, nagkaroon tayo ng angle, side, angle. So, this is number 3. Identify natin kung ano yung case, which is ASA, ASA. So, ang gagamitin natin is law of sines. So, una munang hanapin natin, nauna natin tong Y. So, Y, ang angle na counterpart niya ay sine 47, kaya nandito. Tapos yung complete, meron dito palang given na, since sabi dito, madali na lang natin mahanap yung third angle kapag given na yung dalawang angle. By how? Remember, 180 yung sum nung tatlong angle. So meron na tayong given na 47 plus 40. So 87 yung sum nila. Ima-minus natin yan from 180. So, 87. So, kaya natin nakuha yung angle ng shark dito na 93. So, since meron tayong isang angle at isang side, yun ang gagamitin natin dito. 20, which is the side, at sine 93, yun yung opposite angle niya. Then, we cross, multiply. Ayan. Yung y tsaka sine 93 magmumultiply at yung 20 tsaka sine 47 mag-multiply. Remember na yung hinahanap natin, in this case, yung y muna, ay laging nasa left side dapat. So, since we only need y, we divide sine 93 on both sides of the equation. So, we are left with y here equals, kapag sinolve natin yung 20 times sine 47, the answer is 14.63 over sine 93. Then, solving further in the calculator, we have our y as 14.65 meters. In solving for x naman, ang counterpart na angle ng x ay yung 40. So, sine 40. Tapos gagamitin ulit natin yung isang complete ratio na to, 20 over sine 93. Then we cross multiply. Again, since x yung hinahanap, pupunta siya dito. Multiply to sine 93 is equal to 20 times sine 40. Since we sine 40 divided by sine 93, if we press that in calculator, we will have 12.87 meters. Our x is equal to 12.87 meters. Therefore, diver 1 is 12.87 meters and diver 2 is 14.65 meters away from the shark. Now, for example number 2, Jack and Jill both start at point A. Each walk in a straight line and their paths form an angle of 105 degrees. After 45 minutes, Jack has walked 4.5 kilometers and Jill has walked 6 kilometers. How far apart are they from each other? Solution, we need to draw a model. So, ito siya. So, ito yung starting point nila na point A. Then, Jack, after 45 minutes, nakapaglakad siya ng 4.5 kilometers. And Jill, after 45 minutes walk, 6 kilometers. So, the angle that forms from their path is 105 degrees. Ang tinatanong is how far apart is Jack and Jill from each other. So, this is our x. So, ang given natin dito na case, meron tayong dalawang side and an angle. So, this is an SAS case. So, law of cosine ang gagamitin natin. Let's set as this is x squared is equal to 4.5 squared plus, kunyari ito yung A, ito yung C natin, at ito yung B. Then this one is 6 squared minus 2 times 4.5 times 6 times cosine, kung ano man yung angle natin, 105 degrees. So, by pressing it directly in the calculator, we will have 4.5 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 4.5 times 6 times cosine 105. So, ayan. 70.23. 70.23. We're not done yet. Kailangan natin extract yung square root nito. So, cancel. Our x is equal to, press natin yung radicand, and then answer equals 8.4 or 8.38 para at least 2 decimal point. 8.38 kilometers. So, therefore, the distance between Jack and Jill after 45 minutes of walking is 8.38 kilometers. Ganun na sila kalayo. Okay? So, for your activity, kindly do activity 1 and 2. Paki-screenshot na lang ito. So, this is for 1. Ayan siya. And this is for activity 2. Yan. For your activity today. To be passed today.